The goal of health and safety is simple: getting everyone home safe. Safety Work Kits provide simple systems to help you achieve that. Since launching our app, we've helped thousands of New Zealand businesses streamline their health and safety. In 2025, we added the employee layer. This update allows every team member to have their own unique login and personalized experience. No more hunting down paper copies. All staff have instant, organized access to shared health and safety documents and training materials right in their pocket. Employers can see all forms their employees create. Employee accounts have access to forms they need, such as the hazard register, safe work method statements, and safety data sheets. More private records like employee information and incident records are visible to the employee who created them and the employer only. Access is fully customizable. Employers can choose which forms are available for employees to see and edit to match their roles and responsibilities. The Safety Work Kits app with the new employee layer is more than just documentation. It's collaborative safety. Empower your team, improve compliance, and simplify your workday. Safety Work Kits. Connected safety, anytime, anywhere.